As an interior designer and mom, I think about function and comfort a little bit differently than your average consumer. The best mattress for my family isn't just about softness. It's about support, materials, cooling, and how a bed actually lives in a room. Today, I'm ranking the best mattresses of 2026, and I'm starting with the one that impressed me the most, the Helix Midnight Luxe. Thank you to the Mattress Shop for sponsoring today's video. I first felt this mattress in my sister-in-law's bedroom because she had been raving about what a good night's sleep that she's been getting. No back pain, no discomfort, it's temperature regulating, and I'm like, you know what? I'm one of those people who have to experience it to believe it. I do my fair share of research beforehand, so I knew that Helix was up there, but I had no idea what difference it would make until I got it in my new home. I'm in my mid-40s now. Back pain and cramps are a real thing. I tested each mattress for pressure relief, edge support, look and feel, cooling, and overall value, and I'm going to show you exactly why each one earned its spot. Today, I'm sharing my designer picks for the best mattress of 2026, and I'm approaching this like I would any luxury spec. We're talking about materials, construction, comfort, support, and how the bed actually performs in real life. In this era, especially in a new home, I love to review products so that you know what you're getting firsthand. It's such a big ticket purchase, and relying on online reviews only just doesn't cut it for me anymore. As an interior designer, I'm very particular about what actually earns a recommendation. Number one, it has to be functional. Number two, it has to elevate your everyday quality of life. And number three, I have to naturally recommend it in real life and not just on screen. I want you to make smarter investments in your home as I have done in mine. I saved up for years to buy this house. I also save up a pretty penny for quality investments. You know, I'm not 20 anymore with barely any bills and disposable income. I have real money. I'm going to spend it on real adult products that improve my life. Here's how I scored each mattress. First, comfort and pressure relief. Does it feel good the second you lie down? Second, support and alignment. Does it hold your body well, especially around the hips and lower back? Third, it's all about cooling because temperature really can make or break your sleep. I sleep cool, my husband sleeps hot. Is there really a mattress out there that can regulate its temperature according to both of our needs? Then I looked up edge support, material quality, and value. I want you to get the most bang for your buck. And because this is the best mattress roundup of 2026, I wanted each pick to win a category for a real reason, not just because it's popular and it has some really great reviews online. Also, I'm testing these the way most people would use them in real life. Sitting on the edge, lying on my back, side, stomach, pressing into layers, and of course comparing those feel across all brands. With that said, let's get into the best mattresses of 2026. Coming in at number one overall is the Helix Midnight Luxe. This is the mattress that I would consider the most well-rounded pick in our lineup, and it's the one that my sister raves about. What I like most is that it feels premium without being overbuilt. You get a comfort profile that feels pretty balanced. It's not too firm, it's not too soft, and that makes it most comfortable for a wide range of sleepers. Helix also uses a sleep quiz to help match body type and sleep preferences to the right mattress, which is a really helpful starting point if you're unsure of what to choose. On the practical side, Helix includes free shipping, a 120-night sleep trial, and a lifetime warranty, which makes this overall package even stronger. It's also the kind of best mattress pick that feels credible because it's consistently recognized by major review outlets. If you want the best mattress that feels balanced, premium, and really easy to recommend for a wide range of users, my top pick would be the Helix Midnight Luxe, and it's the one that I'm actually using in my primary bedroom in the new home. Number two on my list is the Brooklyn Aurora Luxe, my top pick for the best cooling mattress. If temperature is your biggest concern, this is the one that I would put on the short list. It has a cooler feeling comfort profile and a more temperature conscious build, which is exactly what some sleepers need. But if cooling is not your top concern, I don't think that you need to prioritize this one over the others. Instead, I'd focus on the cushion and the comfort level. It's especially appealing if you want something that still feels plush enough for comfort, but is clearly designed with airflow and heat control in mind. I sleep cold, my husband sleeps hot. I would put this bed in another guest room because if we're fighting for the night and he's in the doghouse, I wouldn't feel so bad kicking him out because I know he'd be sleeping like a champ. Sorry, not sorry, loves. Number three is the Leesa Sapira Chill, my top pick for the best hybrid mattress. This one feels especially strong if you want a more responsive hybrid feel with a comfortable balance of pressure relief and support. I also like that it gives you that lifted, polished feel that works well for everyday sleep. I used to sleep on an all foam mattress and I found out that because it was so dense, I woke up with a lot of back pain. Of all of the mattresses in this Roundup. This is probably the one that I would recommend for someone who wants a classic hybrid feel with a premium presentation. I put this one in the guest room because it can support a variety of sleepers. And because of its incredible value, I'm also thinking of outfitting my rental, which is my former house, with this bed, with the possibility of furnishing the entire house for the renters. Number 4 on today's list is the Bear Elite Hybrid, which I picked for the best mattress for back pain. Okay, now not everyone's gonna have this condition, but when you're in your 40s, all of a sudden you wake up and everything hurts, everything aches. You're wondering what you did the previous day, but hey, guess what? You probably just have a bad back. What stands out here with the Bear Elite Hybrid is a support profile. It feels like a mattress that's built to keep you more aligned, especially if you need help avoiding that sinking in feeling through the lower back. This is the kind of mattress I'd consider if you want a more supportive sleep surface that still feels comfortable enough for nightly use. Now that I'm older, I enjoy a firmer mattress. If you have a guest room in your home for grandparents to sleep over, they're gonna love this mattress. And finally, number 5 on today's list is the Birch Luxe mattress. It's my top pick for the best organic mattress. This one is a great fit if you care about materials and you want a more natural build without giving up that premium experience. It has that elevated organic mattress story, but it still feels polished and intentional. I love this for my girls because it's made with all natural latex and organic materials. This is the one that you've seen in my previous guest bedroom. I loved it so much I gifted one to my sister and got another one for our new house. It's currently sitting in the playroom in case we have additional guests or the girls want to split up for the night. For shoppers looking for clean materials and natural products, Birch Luxe can't be beat. So if I had to choose one best mattress of 2026, I'd still go with the Helix Midnight Luxe. It gave me the best overall balance of comfort, support, and premium value. I'll also give it a little bit of a bonus points for being very easy to put bed sheets on. And since it's lighter than some of the other premium beds, it's so easy to change the sheets since I have to pull it up at the corners to tuck it all in. I don't know if you care about that. I'm constantly changing out my sheets. So that's really important to me. If you're shopping for a new mattress this year, I would start with a category that best describes your sleep style. And then you can compare the look and feel from there. Then think about where you're placing the mattress. I have 5 bedrooms in this home. 4 of them have beds in them. As a mom and a hostess and now a landlord, I think very differently about my buys. Some are personal and just for me and my family, and at other times, I need to support a variety of users. Check the description box for the individual mattress links and visit Helix Sleep for 20% off. Leave a comment and let me know which mattress you choose and why. As your interior design bestie and expert, I feel like it's my duty to steer you in the right direction. If you currently have any of these mattresses in your home, what do you think? Did you make the right choice? Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you next week. Bye.